Yeah, another one. Yeah, man, this is part 2. Today starts part 2. We got to get that headlight fitted. We got to fix the hood. The hood wasn't all that bad. That could be repaired. And we got to get that bumper on. So, you know, the paint work, I don't expect to get done in one day. But, you know, as long as we got the car put together and it's drivable, all the little minor details we could do later. You know, but I'm just looking forward to finally getting this car put back together because it's been about a year now. And, well, camera's falling. Yeah, it's been about a year now, and, you know, we are where we are. So let's get it.
Dele para su derecha. Dele. ¿Adelanta? Sí. Dele. 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 Dele.
So I was just passing by here, man, and I saw, well, I shouldn't say exotic cars, but I saw these, this is the Mazda dealer, and I saw these aftermarket cars and stuff like that. So I said, let me stop over here and be nosy. Hold on a sec. Well, they playing music out here that won't be conducive for my YouTube career, so I'm about to insert my own music. once again, today is 106 degrees today. So my battery has been overheating when I've been trying to get you guys the footage that you need. But once again, my battery failed on me. My battery cut off, my camera cut off. So I could not show you guys the new problem that just developed. So we have a broken control arm. So you guys saw the clips of us trying to move the car out, and unbeknownst to us, there was a broken control arm that snapped and a whole bunch of dust went flying everywhere, and lo and behold, we need a new control arm. So that's tomorrow's mission, to bring the mechanic in, locate a control arm without paying $1 million, and go from there.